Hello everyone, welcome to Spooky Silly Storytime. My name is Penny Dreadful and I'm here from the Danbury Public Library. Today, I'd like to share a story with you that is both a little bit spooky and a little silly to put a smile on your face. Would you like to hear today's story? Well, here we go. Halloween Hustle, written by Charlotte Gunnufson, illustrated by Kevan J. Atteberry. You're invited to a fabulous Halloween party hosted by Ghost. Midnight, October 31st, 1313 Shade Lane. Dance contest. In the dark, a funky beat. Something white with bony feet. Skeleton dancing up the street, doing the Halloween hustle. Bony thumbs and fingers snap, bony heels and toes tip-tap, knees knock-knock and elbows flap, doing the Halloween hustle. Skeleton twists his skinny hips, shakes his shoulders, skates and skips, on a crooked crack he trips. Bones scatter, what a clatter, spine is like a broken ladder. He sticks his bones back into place, has rubber bands, just in case. Gets up and grooves with foolish grace, doing the Halloween hustle. He swings around the bus stop sign, once, twice, then gets in line right behind Frankenstein, doing the Halloween hustle. Climbs on the bus, can't find a seat, that's okay, he finds the beat. Shuffles and scuffles those bony feet, doing the Halloween hustle. The big bus zigzags through the town, zooms uphill, then cruises down. Every monster for miles around is doing the Halloween hustle. The bus slows down and then it stops. Skeleton leaves with 3 high hops, leads the others to the shops, doing the Halloween hustle. Skeleton buys a snazzy hat, a snazzy jacket to go with that. But in his path a great black cat. Bones scatter, what a clatter, spine is like a broken ladder. Skeleton doesn't groan or whine, binds his bones with tape and twine. He bounces up, feeling fine, doing the Halloween hustle. In fancy clothes the monsters go to the party in a row, a funky, freaky fashion show, doing the Halloween hustle. The ghostly host greets each guest. How do you do? You're so well dressed. Just in time for the dance contest, doing the Halloween hustle. Monsters move on through the door, jump and jive out on the floor. Spooky judges hold up scores for doing the Halloween hustle. Skeleton shimmies, swings and sways, bebops as the music plays. The zombie's foot gets in the way. Bones scatter, what a clatter, spine is like a broken ladder. Skeleton girl with a friendly smile sweeps the bones up in a pile. Skeleton, hey, in just a while you'll be doing the Halloween hustle. She uses a box of super strong glue. You fix forever, you're just like new. Hey, I'd like to dance with you. Let's do the Halloween hustle. All the monsters cheer and clap. Bony thumbs and fingers snap. Bony heels and toes tip-tap, doing the Halloween hustle. Wasn't that a fun story? Did it send shivers down your spine? Or did it make you giggle? Well, now that we've had our story, it's time for a snack. So we're going to go down to my kitchen and we're going to learn how to make a simple, tasty treat. So for today's treat, we are going to make bats on a branch. And for this, we need some raisins, some celery, and usually we do this with peanut butter, but if you're like me and you're allergic to peanuts, you can use SunButter. So I'm going to break off some celery. Now I'm the only person in this house who actually likes celery, so I'm not going to make very many. I'm only going to make 2. But you can make as many as you would like to eat. So I got 2. So before going any further with our celery, I'm going to wash it because it's very important to wash your fruits and vegetables before you eat them. This gets any possible dirt or pesticides off of them. Makes it good to eat. So we have our two clean pieces of celery. And I'm going to remove this big bit at the end. I don't really want that big. Okay, so we have two nice pieces of celery here. So now we're going to take our SunButter, or if you have peanut butter, you can use that. What we're going to do is we're going to put some of our either SunButter or peanut butter right in here. We're going to stick it into our celery in that nice little groove. There we go. Put a little bit in this one here. Aside, so put it back in the fridge. So now we have our branches, but I think we're missing something. What do you think? Yeah, I think we're missing the bats. So for the bats, we're going to use our raisins. So we're going to take a couple of raisins. Oops, and we're going to put them on our branch. Stick them right in the peanut butter. So this gives us a nice crunchy treat from the celery, a little bit of a salty kind of taste from the peanut butter or the SunButter, and a little bit of sweet from the raisins. And it's a good treat for after school. It's not enough that's going to spoil your dinner, but it gives you a lot of energy. And there you go. So we have bats on a branch. And enjoy. I hope you had fun at today's spooky silly story time. Until next time when we meet again, stay silly, stay spooky, and enjoy this wonderful Halloween season. Goodbye, everyone.